Let's learn about dividing multi-digit decimals. We want to divide 52.64 by 4. Let's apply long division here. So we have 4 going into 52.64. All right, 4 goes into 5 here. 4 goes into 5 one time. We have 1. 1 times 4 is a 4. We subtract the two numbers. 5 minus 4 is a 1. Bring down the 2. 4 goes into 12 3 times, because 3 times 4 is a 12 exactly. Subtract the 2, we get a 0. Bring down the 6. 4 goes into 6 one time. 1 times 4 is a 4. Subtract the 2. 6 minus 4 is a 2. And bring down the 4 right here. 4 goes into 24 6 times. And 6 times 4 is a 24. Subtract them, we get a 0. And we're done. And so 13.16 is our answer. And so if we divide 52.64 divided by 4, we get 13.16. Hope you learned something here about dividing multi-digit decimals. And as always, thanks for watching.